Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 13. Paying fees.
How are you doing today?
Very well. Thank you.
What can I help you with?
Do I have any fees to pay?
As a matter of fact, you do.
How much?
You owe $235.13.
That's unbelievable.
Will you be paying some of that off today?
I want to pay all of it off today.
How will you be paying?
I'll be paying with cash.
How are you?
I'm great. Thank you for asking.
What can I do for you?
Do I owe any fees?
You sure do.
Could you tell me how much I owe?
You owe $235.13 in fees.
I can't believe that.
When will you be paying these fees off?
I'll pay them off right now.
Cash or check?
I will pay with cash.
How's it going?
I'm great. Thanks.
What do you need?
I need to know if I have any fees to pay.
Actually, you do owe some fees.
How much do I owe?
Your fees total $235.13.
That's crazy.
You need to pay these fees soon.
Can I do that right now?
Will you be paying with cash or check?
I think I'll be paying with cash. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.